People are grieving the loss of their loved ones. But here at the Afravat Peak 1 week later, it shows that things move on. Justice must still be served, but we also want to get the voices of people who've decided to come here despite what happened 1 week ago. Let's speak to some of the people here. Ma'am, why have you come? क्यों आए हैं?
We came here to enjoy. We found here everything is normalized. All are enjoying here. Thank you.
Not scared of being here?
No,
not
I'm
at
not
all,
scared.
not
We
at
are all not scared here. All normal situation, and we are all enjoying so much. Thank you.
कश्मीर हमारा है और हमारा ही रहेगा. हम स्केर्ड क्यों रहेंगे? कश्मीर हमारा है और हमारा ही रहेगा. डरना किसका है? हम सब अपने हैं. हम सब अपने हैं.
आतंकवादियों का एक ही मकसद था कि भारतीय लोगों के मन में डर पैदा करे. वो डर दूर करने के लिए हम सभी भारतीय लोगों ने कश्मीर में आना चाहिए.
Madam, I hear you're from Karnataka. There were victims from Karnataka as well. What was in your mind when you decided to come here? This looks like a large group of people. This looks like a normal day.
We were already here when the attack happened, and 25 of our group people, they went back. But I would say for the whole country, our Jawans are giving their chest and standing in the borders. I think this is the least that we can do. We should, when we come, we should never go back. This is part of India. We should never go back. We should enjoy this place. But one thing, I was speaking to one of the CRPF personals here, and then they were apprehensive that no, we have not asked, that the terrorists have not asked about the dharma and they have hit. But I am from Karnataka. The ladies who have lost their husbands, they have told, are they lying? Yeah. Why are people here in denial?
No. Why would survivors, make that up? Absolutely. But the real litmus test as far as tourism making a recovery. Let's never lose focus of the terror attack and the victims, viewer. But a week later, one looks at these pictures and wonders whether normalcy is possible in Jammu and Kashmir, or is it only really happening right now? What would you like to say? How, why did you decide to come here? A lot of people have decided to go away from Jammu and Kashmir. Talk to us.
We heard a lot about the Jammu Kashmir, and we saw like we be here for 4 days already.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam,
Okay.
and the people here really friendly and very nice. I'm very sad like the incident happened, but like the people here when I come here, I just feel like safe and the nice sightseeing. Very good to be here.